Hi! So, welcome back. I'm Karen. So, share ko sa inyo yung savings ko. This is from my earnings sa aking sari-sari store. So, here we go. Hi everyone! So, here again, ito yung aking savings from March 2026 to April 16, 2026. So, lahat siya actually ay 20 pesos. I just need money, that's why kailangan ko siyang i-account ulit. I will start another savings like this, 20 pesos, pero this time around, kailangan ko kasi to. Kaya, for now, eto yon, and later on, share ko sa inyo kung magkano talaga lahat yung na-save ko from March to today. Alright?